What is up, guys? So welcome again to YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how you can make $50 to $200 a day by promoting some affiliate products without a website. So what you're gonna do here is we're gonna use free traffic. We're not gonna use a free hosting platform. We won't need to own our own website. Maybe you're running on a budget, don't have money to invest in hosting in $chit, or maybe you just want to get your feet wet and try out affiliate marketing on a way you can earn money online. You're new to making money online, or you just want to try out some different ways that you can earn some back online. $50 to $200 a day. This is the method for you. Now, if you are really serious about making money online and really want to dive deep into it, here's a course taught by Jacob Carris called Dream Car Profits. It's an affiliate marketing course teaching you the steps on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing, some strategies, some really good SEO strategies, some really good ways, methods that you guys haven't really tapped into. So Job Carris is as you can see, a multi-six-figure super affiliate that has earned a lot of money. He's won the ClickFunnels Dream Car Challenge. He's earned over $200,000 in commissions just from affiliate marketing. He's earned over $100,000 in affiliate marketing in less than a year. So this guy is pretty legit. I've been following him in one of his groups. He posts his results, some tips every day, so he's really transparent about everything. This course was going for $47 for about 2 weeks, and now it's gone up to $97. So you guys can come over to dreamcarprofits.com, or you can follow the link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description. You want to come here and say, yes, I want access, you can put in your name and your email address, and it will take you to the purchase page. So this course is just $97. You can check it out and you can get yourself into the Dream Car Profits. So diving right into it. What you want to do is you want to pick a niche. Say we're gonna go with health for this tutorial. So we're gonna say maybe we're gonna promote say flat belly fix, Organifi, lean belly breakthrough. You can choose any platform, any product that you want to promote. So what's gonna happen is once you promote this product and it sells, you're gonna get like $38 for every sale that's sold. And looking at the gravity, this is really selling very well. So flat belly fix is selling really well, lean belly fix is selling really well, $159, as well as Organifi. These are some really high products that you can sell. It's talking about weight loss and diets, dietary supplements is Organifi. So what you want to do is once you pick a product, you want to come to medium.com. Once you open an account, you want to come to your profile. You want to select new story. Once you do that, you can put the title. Once that's added, you can say enter. Then you can start putting the body and everything. You can add images, you can add a video, you can add an embedded link, you can add some other parts, and whatever it is that you do, once you write it out, you can click publish. So this is really working, guys. You find a product, you come here, you promote it, and it will be, once somebody reads about it, you write an article. So let's say you were to say you're going to promote maybe a flat belly fix. Somebody wants to lose fat. So we're going to come to medium. Let's try and check for how to lose belly fat. So we're going to search for that and see what comes up. So how to lose belly fat. So here are some articles. How to lose belly fat, dreams. Somebody has written an article about this, about how to lose belly fat, as you can see. exercises to lose belly fat. So now what you want to do here is we're gonna reverse engineer this. We're gonna come to Medium and we're gonna write a review, or we're gonna write a tutorial on how to lose belly fat. So you can just write some tips on how to lose belly fat. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a link saying something like where people can go to get an easy products to lose weight. Or maybe you can write a review about flat belly fix, or you can write a review about lean belly, about Organifi, and you're gonna come here, write an article and place links that you get from here. Embed them in your article, your blog that you're going to write on Medium. So once somebody comes here and they find your post and they read and they click through to one of your links that you've put here and they get to purchase that product, you actually get paid a commission for that. So for flat belly fix you get $38, for lean belly you get $40, and for Organifi you get $74 per sale. Now if you're thinking Medium is the only way you're gonna do this, you can also do Quora as well. This place is wild with people looking for weight loss and diet. So if I say how to lose belly fat on Quora and I click search, then you wanna say questions that people are asking. Then instead of going to questions maybe that were asked years ago, a lot of months back, you wanna filter by maybe say past month. At least that's better. So you wanna come filter questions, scroll down, filter by time, past month, then you're gonna see some of the latest questions that have been asked relating to this. So how to lose belly fat, what are some good fat burning exercises and how much time does it take? All this, what is the best what to get slimmer and lose belly, what is the best way to lose belly fat? So you can answer all these questions. You can just click on the questions, you can write a well thought out answer and just leave a link to this product. Once you click promote, they'll take you to a page where you can sign up or you can get your affiliate link. So once you put your nickname here, you get your affiliate and generate hop links, you get your affiliate link. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get that link and copy it and paste it into your Medium article about losing belly fat or into your Quora answer. Now what you want to do is you don't want to be spamming and just putting links direct in. So what you want to do is you want to type in a well thought out answer and leave a link to the product at the end of the answer or somewhere in between, so that people can click through, get the product, and you get a commission. So this is it for this video. This is all I wanted to share. Remember, Clickbank, get a product, go to medium.com, write a review, place a link in there, or answer a question and leave a link in there and publish the answer. If you are serious about affiliate marketing, you can come over to this site. Remember guys, there's a link in the description to all this, and you can get access to this course. $97. This is one of the cheapest courses I've found online, and looking at what the guy teaches, there's a lot of value, more than you can expect. Plus you get access to his Facebook groups where he's always live every day. He's active, he's very responsive. You get to ask questions, you get one-on-ones pretty easily. So despite just getting the course, you get support and some free insights and some free tools, some nuggets that he posts in his group from there. Really valuable guys. This product is for you. You want to start making money online, this is where you can start from. It's beginner friendly, very basic methods, very scalable, very practical. So you want to come to this to this site, link is in the description. Get the course and start taking action, guys. Just like I've showed you, if you don't take action and just look at it and sit back, it won't work. You have to put in the work. Even once you get a course, you put in the work and you're good to go. So in my own view, this course is very beginner friendly for anybody that's just starting out online. I would recommend this course 100%. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.